If you use Polynome on the Mac or on an iPad with a Bluetooth keyboard, there are now many more keyboard shortcuts available on the Edit Pattern page. First of all, you can use the up and down arrows to move the highlighted line at the top to switch between adding accents and articulations, adding rhythms, or adding sounds. You can use the left and right arrow keys to move the cursor or change the highlighted rhythm. To add rhythms, you can choose from the division on the left by typing S for 16th note, E for 8th note, Q for quarter note, H for half note, W for whole note, and B for divisions of a bar in whatever time signature you're currently in. You'll note that as I change those, the palette here changes to subdivisions of whichever note we selected. So let's hit Q for quarter note, and let's move with the right arrow to the end of the rhythm. Now you can use the numbers 0 through 9 to enter divisions of this note value. So 0 will give you a rest, 1 will give you a note of the value that you've set here, 2 will give you that note value divided by 2, 3 divided by 3, 4 divided by 4, up to 9. And backspace will delete those. If you want to edit this rhythm, you can hit Command E, that will bring up the editor, and now you can use the numbers 1 through 4 here to toggle the notes to rests. If you hit Escape, that will cancel and undo your changes there. Command E to go back in. Let's remove the third partial. You can then use the left arrow to edit the note group to the left. And when you're done, hit Enter to apply. Now let's add some accents and articulations. So I'll move to the start. A will toggle an accent. You can also use the right angle bracket key. T will toggle a tie. The slash will cycle through 1, 2, 3, or a Z slash. And F will cycle between flam, drag, and rough. If you're on the sounds line, you can use Option plus those same keys to toggle the things on the accents line. To enter sounds, you can use L for the lowercase l button, Shift L for the uppercase L, and Control L for the uppercase italic, and the same for the R buttons, and H for the H button, and K for the K button. And again, you can use the backspace to delete those. With the rhythms, you can use Command C to copy a rhythm, Command V to paste it, and you can paste it to the right of any rhythm in the pattern. You can use Command D to duplicate this highlighted rhythm, and you can use Command S to save a rhythm to the Saved Rhythms palette. When you're done, you can hit Enter to leave this page, or Escape to cancel and not edit the rhythm. So I'll hit Enter, and our rhythm is now entered into this preset. So that's the new key commands in 22.5.1.